Welcome to Donum Ideas, an online gift registry and wish lists website. Have a look at the How It Works guide and the Why Donum sections, and when you're happy, proceed to registering with us. Registering is free, and you will receive 3 free wish lists: a promotional list for up to 7 gifts, a small list for up to 15 gifts, and a medium list for up to 35 gifts. Fill out the registration form, noting that every field is required, and tick that you agree to the terms of use, privacy and returns policies. Feel free to go through these to your satisfaction. Once you click register, a verification email will be sent to your email address from Donum Ideas. Click the link inside to verify your account and continue to the login page. From here you are able to manage your existing lists, view your friends' lists that you have saved, and be able to create custom paid lists for 15 to 500 gifts. Click on one of the lists in the My Lists section. This will allow you to add and edit the gifts you would like for this list, as well as set the details of the list, including the name, the welcome message for your guests, the event icon, and the event date. We will make this list a Christmas list. The pencil icon indicates an editable area, so click this, enter the details for your list and hit update. Next we will add a couple gifts to our Christmas list. The only fields that are required are the name and price of the gift, but you can hit the Add Extra Info to add more, including an extended description, a link to the seller, and if the list is for multiple people, you can specify who each gift is for. Once you are done adding gifts, you have to finalize the list in order for it to be shareable. Be careful not to do this until you are completely happy with your entered gifts, as once a list is finalized it can no longer be modified. Now the display of your list will change, showing the shareable link and 2 gift sections: My Checked Gifts, which are the gifts your guests have already committed to, and Pending Gifts, which are the gifts yet to be committed to. As we just created this list, My Checked Gifts will be empty. Once the list is finalized, the next step is to share the link with your guests. This can be done by any means you wish, for example by putting it on your invitations, or sharing in social media, or via email. We hope you enjoy our service, and if you have any issues, please contact us via the email or phone number displayed at the bottom left of your browser.